Hey guys, so this is just a quick recap of how we made the flag, just in case you guys are getting stuck on anything. So, okay, we've got our scene set up here. We make a plane, which is, 1 centimeter wide when you make it. Set it to 60 by 100, add subdivs 25 by 45. So here's our plane. I'm just going to rotate it up, make sure it's 90 degrees, and I'll rotate it in X 90 as well, so it's facing the front. Just raise it up a bit. And now we're just going to make our pole. So I make a cylinder, and I'm going to set the height to 150. Just position this. I'll add some more subdivs. This can be useful later. You can use the subdivs to define how well the flag will actually interact with the pole. So just position your pole. Got the flag in position. I'm just going to rename them now, just to make it easier to identify. Flag and flagpole. And I'm turning my flag into an encloth object. So obviously it just drops, and it's dropping quite slowly. So go back to my nucleus, into the attribute editor, and down to the scale attributes, and set my space scale to 0.01. So remember, that's just dividing meters into centimeters. So now encloth knows we're working in centimeters. Drops really fast now. Turn on my ground plane so it's got something to fall on. And it's very high velocity. It's falling so fast that the substeps, 3 substeps a frame is not fast enough. So fast enough to calculate that speed. So I'm just increasing the quality of the solve a bit. And there we go, that looks a bit better as a starting point. Now we're going to attach the flag to the pole. We're going to sub-object vertex mode. Select all the vertices along the side. You can see all of the ones inside the pole. Oops. We go back to end constraint. We select transform constraint, which locks our points down. There you go, basic flag setup. You can see it's intersecting with the pole, which you don't want. So we're going to just grab that pole, create a passive collider. So now the flag will not stick through the pole. Wraps around it instead. So that's our basic flag setup, and I'll upload another video in which we will add some wind.